get into quadrupped position that your hands are directly under your shoulders and your knees are directly under your hips. From this position, you want to extend one arm and opposite leg, like this, but without moving in your low back. In order to know that you're not moving in your low back, you can put something on your back. It can be, like I will use a phone, but you can put anything here, even a foam roller. So you put it on your low back and you move, come back, touch knee and hand together, and then switch sides. Common mistakes are that sometimes people are lifting the leg too high, like this, and they end up moving in their low back. Or sometimes when they extend the leg, they don't hit it, let's say, kick it with the heel. So they do like this, but they don't do like this. So we want you, imagine that you're kicking with the heel. What it gives more glute activation. That is very important for treating the low back pain.